Now, see, on today's a goddamn problem. Sorry for the cursing and all that. But come on, step over here. Look at this. The baby got a flat. Now, I don't know who. You see that? Now, I don't shoot. Look, I actually just copped this mug right here. This motherfucker dope cute, you know. I ain't never used nothing where it got a footstool too to jack the joint up. Anyway, man, let's get this thing up into the daily driver. Go get this mug patched up and put back on. Ginger 31 to be exact. You didn't know, now you know. Today I'm gonna actually throw on this damn cold air intake. Today gonna start the day of the first mile. I mean, it can ride without a tune, so you know. I can pop the hood, get everything ready. Today we're gonna talk this cold air intake on. Alright, YouTube, so today we're gonna be throwing on that dry filter Roto-fab cold air intake, right? That's what we got going on today. Couldn't wait, you know, to the rest of the parts. I needed something to do. I'm gonna get that ready. Well, first I'm gonna go get my killers, cause these goddamn birds is tripping out here. You stink. You stink. We're gonna use these sensors again. Put them on a new one, you know, elbow again also. But I'm finna unhook all of that. Stick with me. Wait, all you really need is a couple screwdrivers and maybe a wrench. I don't really know what size, so I'll fit that when it's time to get to that part. Oh shoot, let me find all my screwdrivers and it fell and dropped all off. You need a Phillips and maybe a flathead. That's about it. Get this job started. You stink. We also need like some vice grips or something too. Forgot about that. We got it though. When they say these are 3 tools we really need, we'll get it cracking. Now I'm gonna loosen these 2 clamps right here. This one from the air box and then this one here is from the intake. And you see this thing right here, this is your mass airflow sensor. You're gonna end up taking this part out too and you're gonna tuck that up under there after you get these clamps off of the air box. I can do that right now. I'm gonna unplug the power to this mug right now. I can even feel where the mug come from. Mug in there pretty tight. Might need a screwdriver to get this joint. You gotta also disconnect this battery, the negative terminal, which is right here, right there, smack dead in front of you. I don't know if the GoPro is seeing it correctly because I'm trying to show you with my head. But yeah, you gotta disconnect that first so we don't mess up no sensors or anything when we taking out the map sensor. We actually use a 10. You dig? I have to disconnect this PVC breather liner This motherfucker here giving me all goddamn trouble right here. This damn mouth sensor. I can't get it off, and it's a red piece that I'm only supposed to slide back, and it should come clean. Go ahead, pull this mug here. Probably need to get some pliers for real, for real. This ain't gonna do it. I'll go back here and get some pliers or something. Yeah, we ain't gonna be able to do that. Let's get some pliers. Not no vice grips. Somebody must have borrowed them because I can't find shit. I mean, thought I had some. Somebody must have borrowed them. They probably in the house. That's gonna actually have to do. We finally got the mouth sensor off. So take you a flathead and loosen this up off the throttle body also. I don't know if you can see it. The light is definitely turning into some big shit tonight. Kind of waited too late, but we're gonna loosen it up like so and get it up here. Take the sound tube off first right here. Oh, let's see, put some air, not some air, but some light. Come on. I can't get the sound. There we go. And here, this other tube here is just a push clamp. You want to also disconnect this one and put it up on top right here. Just kind of put it out the way. Dig? That way we can put it right back on when we put the new filter on. Probably gotta tighten it some, loosen it some more. All right, we finally got off the stock intake. Got to put the Roto-fab together. I actually should have did that, but we got to use some parts on the old one. So we will be using this little piece right here. We gotta put that on to the other one. So stick with me while I get the newer one together. The pre-installment of the Roto-fab dry filter intake. But basically what I'm about to do is throw this through here. Like, I'm gonna clip these motherfuckers anyway. Yes, sir. We also need these. We're gonna throw this ring around, which will screw all of these around. We'll use our hands to screw those in and then tighten them up the rest of the way with a screwdriver. Looks like it's a Phillips. Definitely got those 5 screws in here where the map sensor gonna go at. You see that? I'm basically POV right now. Right here, you dig? So, right, got that was just the pre-assembly to the new Roto-fab dry filter intake. Gotta take this joint here and a number 11 clamp and put it around here and tighten it up and get this one around the throttle body. Alright, so I done put this little piece on here. This where the mouth sensor gonna go. I could put the filter on already right up in here. I did. That's where the filter gonna hook up at, right up in there. We also put this right angle elbow on. Got another part, which is right here. Gonna put that in up under there. I could do it now, might do it later. On the old cold air intake, we gotta take off this here and put it onto there. We also take this little piece off here and put it on there also for the mouth sensor to fit. I'm gonna go ahead and put this down mouth sensor on there into the new one. It's an easy fit. Throw that on. I'm gonna do this right now and get it out the way before I've been and forgot some parts or something. Always, always, always start every screw, anything you screw, with your hands first. Damn, moths and skeeters everywhere. We sound a hella country, don't it? Skeeters. But I got the mouth sensor put onto the new Roto-fab. I gotta go do some other steps. Alright, so I done let it get so dark out here on the kid. Boy, I can't see nothing. Bugs messing with me. Get this light together. Yeah. It's on there. We'll tighten that bitch up right about there. I'm gonna go ahead and tighten this one up right now, up here. this should be able to hold. So basically, make sure your ring, when you do throw this joint on, make sure that ring facing up, just in case you ever want to remove this. You know what I'm saying? That ring will be up, and you can always reuse and retighten. Boom, got that on there. You dig? That's a 10. All right, next step is throwing this actual Roto-fab port into the mounting station. We got, man, I'll wait till time I wait. Oh, damn day. Look like it's in there. Alright, that's what we looking like now. We ain't put the filter part on yet. We'll do that in a minute. Look like the light done came off. We almost done, man. Getting it together. Me and my dogs. So now for real, you can put the MAF sensor back into the MAF housing thing. Boop. Click that. Should be a red thing up under there. Press it in. It's locked. Easy money. Alright, now we're gonna install this dang on massive air filter we got here. This ain't no big gup, cause I ain't got no LT4, you know, but this here, self-explanatory. It fucking stinks too, smell. Got a funny smell to it. But this here is self-explanatory. Money, please stay out of my way, okay? Stay where you at. Don't need you in my way. I'm gonna need me some light too. Dang on light keep going off. It's a little greasy. This is self-explanatory how this gonna line up. Probably throw some blood. Okay. Maybe I should fly right over. That's that whatever you want. But yeah, I'm almost getting done with this mug. Now I put this on, and I gotta put this tube on to connect it to the throttle body, connect my battery, start her up, see what she do. That's that. All right, now we got this tightened. We got our, whoo, this car got real nice and dirty. So I'm probably gonna wash this mug one of our best days we got. Okay. Yeah, I got my big filter on, this on. I gotta connect these two pieces. Looks like I'm almost done. We got this piece here from the old intake, and this just basically the sound. It's for the sound flow. This right here basically hooks clean up to this. Hook that up to there. You want to use the bigger clamp for this side, the smaller clamp for this side. Once I can get this back on right here, which I'm basically having trouble with. It's like tripping in the bottom half. You need that bottom half to stop the games. Yeah, we're almost done now. We finally got the cold air intake put on her. You dig? It's finally on there. And I actually can tighten all of this stuff up as much as it can go. Let's get everything tight. You know what I'm saying? Righty tighty, you dig? Oh, y'all learned that back in the day. We'll put these on next. When you do tighten these mugs, make sure your screws kind of facing you so that it's basically easier. Who that is? Oh yeah, make sure it's easier for you to unscrew and screw it back up when need be, if you want to, you know, uninstall any of this. Probably don't really trip off of which way you got it, as long as you got this joint on there. Squeeze this down, get her back on there. shit. I don't know where I got cut at. Didn't even feel it. Boom. Get that soundproof back on there. It's the sound deadening thing. I ain't get that one. Should have, but I probably ain't gonna buy it. Whatever. But everything else back on. Shit, now we ready to connect the battery back up and start her up. Shouldn't have no check engine lights on either. Hook the battery back up. You dig? And you pretty much done. I really can't see. Get that battery back on there. That's it. That is it. I need some lights. Got everything back up, you know. Gonna put everything up. Got the new Roto-fab dry filter cold-air intake on this joint. Everything up, hooked up nice and tight. Got a MAV sensor back on. There's the MAV. We had to take this off and put it back on. We got the sound deadening tube. I left that on. I should have got the sound deadener where it don't got this on there, but it is what it is. I ain't about rebuying shit. So that's what we got. Gonna put these tubes up and let y'all hear what it do. Let's cut her on. See what she sounds like. Got no check engine lights on. We still gonna have to do a tune, you know that. You know I don't drive in no tour, but the car been reset. We driving sport around these parts. Sir. What it sound like? Pretty much it. Alright, YouTube, with that being said, thank y'all for tuning in, alright? Appreciate y'all for coming in and checking me out today, you know what I'm saying? Got the nice Roto-fab cold-air intake with the dry filter put on. Got dark on us yesterday. I had to come out here and finish it today. But pretty happy. Everything is back to normal. We done. This is the first little under the hood mod I done did so far. Y'all gonna love that. But don't watch TV, keep on watching me, and we out.